Daily learning.
Hello, my name is Daniel and I'm 23 years old. I live in a small, quiet town not too far from the city. I've lived here all my life, and even though it's not very exciting, I like it. People know each other, and life feels simple and safe. I live with my family, my parents and my younger sister, Emily. She's 17 and still in high school. We're close and have fun together, even though we argue sometimes over silly things like snacks for TV shows. My dad is a mechanic, and my mom is a school teacher. They're both hardworking and always support me. Right now, I'm a third-year student at university, studying computer science. I've loved computers since I was a kid. I still remember the first time I opened the computer just to see what was inside. Of course, I couldn't fix it back then, but it made me really curious. At university, I've made friends from many places, even different countries. We talk about culture, food, and everyday life. It's fun to learn how different but also how similar we all are. I think everyone enjoys laughing, eating good food, and spending time with friends. On a regular day, I wake up around a.m., shower, have breakfast, then head to class. In the afternoon, I study in the library or do group projects. Sometimes I hang out with my friends. We eat lunch together, play football, or just sit in the park. In the evening, I go home, have dinner with my family, and relax with a book or movie. Weekends are more fun. I like going to the cinema, exploring new places, or going on small road trips with friends. We pack snacks, play music, and just enjoy the time together. I also enjoy photography. I take pictures of nature, people, or little things I find interesting. Photos, for me, are a way to tell stories without words. Music is also a big part of my life. I like pop and soft rock. Music helps me feel better when I'm sad or tired. Sometimes I sing along even though I can't sing very well, but it makes me happy, so I don't mind. I also enjoy time alone. It helps me think and understand myself better. I sometimes write in a journal, just to let my thoughts out. It makes me feel calm and focused. One thing I really believe is that small acts of kindness matter. A smile or kind word can make someone's day better. Life can be hard sometimes, but being kind makes it easier for everyone. So, that's a little about me. I'm just a normal person with simple dreams and a simple life. But I think everyone's story is special. I hope one day I can hear your story too. Thank you for listening to mine.